Hi, this is the Texas Nail Educator, and we all know doing nail prep, you have to, well, not necessarily have to, but some nail techs will use dehydrator and primer. So I'm going to teach you today how to make your own dehydrator so you don't have to purchase it. First thing you're going to need is a bottle, an empty nail polish bottle, or a spray bottle. You can get these little spray bottles at Sally's if you want. Then you're going to need some acetone and some alcohol. And it's 50-50. So we're going to take our alcohol and we're going to fill our nail polish bottle up about halfway. And then we're going to take our acetone and fill it up the rest of the way. Then we're going to put our top on and just mix it a little bit. And then after you mix it, then doing your nail prep, you just apply it to the natural nail. All right, thanks for watching.